Good morning from Maya, a small town in northern São Miguel. Today I'm going to take a look at the only tea plantation in Europe. I'm sad to say that this is my final hike in São Miguel. Tomorrow I'm going to return to Hamburg. Yesterday I did not do a video. I was in Ponta Delgada and I checked out the city. Maya today, in typical São Miguel manner, is rainy and sunny. And as you can see, this is the direction I'm going to head. There's clouds on the mountain. Anyway, I like this tiny town here. It's very nice. This is going to be a shorter hike, but something I really wanted to do. And also one of the first hikes I actually planned when I planned my vacation here. So in total I have spent 7 full days on São Miguel and it's been really wonderful. The island was a fantastic surprise. It's very green, very lush, it's not too warm. It's wonderful for hiking, so if you are into hiking, if you want to do a hiking vacation, I can highly recommend São Miguel. On the other hand, if you plan a beach vacation, this island may not be for you. I guess it should be possible. It's also, if you want to go surfing, I think this is a great place. Well, but mainly if you see tourists here, you recognize them by their hiking boots. Somewhat like 90% of the tourists here are hikers. In some places you won't even find what you would consider like touristy areas. You may find it in Ponta Delgada a bit. Chá Gorreana is the name of the plantation we're heading for. I don't know what this is, maybe some kind of pump. So I just saw the first tea plants, so we're getting closer. And I believe I have to... okay, yeah, we're here. It's just here. I think it's open, you can get in. But what we're gonna do is go on a hike instead. Maybe we'll look at this later. Maybe there's some souvenirs like, tea to buy. And there they are, the tea fields. This is cool. So here's Maya. This is where we just started. This is where we are now, just a bit south of Maya. And this is where we are here exactly. And we're going on a round trip this way, I believe. Have you ever seen a tea plantation up close? Because I haven't. Again, something completely new for me on São Miguel. This has been a week of completely new things every day, and it is exactly what I came here for. Something completely new. So yeah, wardrobe change. So I'm standing here waiting for the rain to stop, but I don't think it will. So now that you can't see anything anymore, I'm just gonna head to the trees over there. So let's see if we get some shelter there. When I'm going to be heading back to Hamburg, I know it's going to be very warm there, probably around 30 degrees or something. I like this climate here much better, even if it's raining. This has been a constant 20 degrees plus minus 1 degree. It's never been too cold, never been too hot. So I found shelter under this giant oak tree here, and I think this is by far the heaviest rain I have seen here on São Miguel. And it's continuous, so I've been waiting here for like 20 minutes and it's not stopping. Alright, the rain has stopped, but it's very foggy now. So before I'm going to be heading up that hill there, I want to show you what we can see from here. It is beautiful. I'm walking through these freshly cut tea leaves and it smells amazing. Kind of have to walk on them. I hope that's okay. This smells really good and I'm happy to say it is clearing up. So this is a very nice, very family-friendly hike. It seems to be an easy trail. It was marked as such, but of course that doesn't always mean something. Here we can see very far now. It's just this cloud here sticking to the mountain. So what likes to grow here as well is mint, and you smell this mint in the air. I'm really happy the rain has ceased, so I can actually enjoy my final hike on São Miguel. So it still sounds wrong. Also, when I checked into my flight last night, it felt wrong. But this is it, right? So we go on adventures and eventually we return home. So this is how this goes. And still it will stick with me for the rest of my life. I will not forget this. And this is the important part. I'm still amazed by these fern trees. You know, on first sight it looks like a palm tree, but it's not, it's fern. Here we have one up close and a small stream here. Of course there was some more rain, but it's bearable. This is a very short trail, so I believe we're almost back at the house and we're going to check out what's at the tea factory. I don't know how long it is, a couple of kilometers, the area here alone. I mean, I started down in Maya, which adds a couple of kilometers to the trail. Now it is beautifully clear here, and there are also some other visitors already. So I came here early in the morning. I start on my hikes very early in the morning. I think there was no day on my vacation when I didn't get up at 6 a.m. to take the earliest possible bus, or at least the second earliest possible bus, and make the most of the day. I don't know if you can hear me, but it smells like tea in here. And it's raining tea leaves. So we get some free green tea to taste. It is really good. We got some sunny views after all. This is it, guys. This is goodbye from the Azores, goodbye from São Miguel. Next time we see each other, it will be from another beautiful place. I don't know which one it will be yet. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I'll see you next time.